If you want Instagram Reels to scroll automatically without having to swipe manually, there's a new feature that makes this possible. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Since this is a new feature, older versions may not have it yet. Keeping your app up to date ensures you have access to the latest improvements and options. Now, open Instagram and start watching Reels. You can open any reel, whether it's from your feed, the Explore page, or a friend's Instagram profile. For this demonstration, I'll open a reel from my friend's profile, but you can do the same with reels from friends or any other account you follow. To enable auto scroll, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options. Look for and tap on Turn on autoplay. Now let's wait to test it. Once activated, Instagram will automatically scroll to the next reel once the current one finishes playing, so you don't have to keep swiping. This makes it easier to enjoy Reels hands-free, whether you're just relaxing or multitasking. If you ever leave the last reel and go back, the auto-scroll feature will turn off automatically. If you want to use it again, you'll need to turn it on by repeating the same steps. Try it out on your Instagram and see how it works for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more Instagram tips.